Bats are the only mammals that can fly, and there are many different kinds around the world. They are nocturnal animals, which means they are active at night. Bats use echolocation to find food and avoid obstacles. This echolocation is a high-frequency sound that humans cannot hear. Bats emit short, high-pitched sounds. And when these sounds bounce back from objects, bats listen to the returning echoes. Bats use these echoes to understand their surroundings. This way, bats can find the location, size, and speed of their prey accurately. Scientists study bats' use of echolocation and apply it to various technologies. For example, ultrasound technology is used in the medical field.